All right. Good afternoon, class. Let's learn about how to identify parts of an expression. All right, sixth graders. This is our term or our standard we're going to be learning today. MGSE 6 EE2B. Identify parts of an expression using mathematical terms, such as the sum, term, product, factor, quotient, coefficient. View one or more part of an expression as a single entity. For example, describe the expression 2 times 8 plus 7 parentheses as a product of two factors. View 8 plus 7 as both a single entity and a sum of two terms. So today we will learn how to identify parts of an expression. Algebraic expressions are expressions containing numbers, operations, and letters referred to as variables. 3x minus 2y plus 6 would be an example of an algebraic expression. Now, these expressions come in more than 1 million different representations. However, there are components that all algebraic expressions share. We will learn 4 today: terms, coefficients, variables, and constants. Now, a term is a single mathematical expression separated by operations. For example, 6x, 2, 3xy, and yx. In terms, it is important to note that terms are separated by an operation sign. So every time you see an operation sign, that means you are starting a new term. Variable. A variable is a letter being used to symbolize an unknown number, such as x, y, and z. Coefficients. Coefficients is a number that is directly in front of a variable. When evaluating algebraic expressions, coefficients are meant to be multiplied with their respective variables. 6x and 2xy, these are examples of coefficients, the 6 and the 2, but more importantly, the numbers and letters cramped together are meant to be multiplied in this situation. It is important to note also that there is an understood 1 in front of the variable, which means x can be written as 1x. Constant is a number that stands alone in an algebraic expression such as 5, 12, and 13. So let's practice a problem. All right, so we have 3x minus 2y plus 6. The terms would include 3x, 2y, and 6. There are three terms. The variable, x and y, coefficients, 3 and 2, and constants, 6. Let's look at another one. 4xy squared plus 2x plus y minus 1. All right, so 4xy squared, 2x, y, and 1 are terms, therefore. Variables, we only have x and y. Coefficients, we have 4, 2, and 1. Remember that y has an understood 1. And the constant, that 1 at the end, stands alone. That's the constant. So today we have just learned how to identify 4 parts of an algebraic expression: terms, variables, coefficients, and constants. So remember, practicing is the only way, or is the best way, to learn math. So that is all for today. Class dismissed.